Welcome to our deep dive into using video marketing to enhance your real estate lead generation. Today, we'll discuss why visual content is king in the real estate industry. Video marketing allows agents to provide immersive property tours, showcase neighborhood highlights, and present client testimonials, thereby building trust and emotional connections with prospective buyers. Creating engaging visual narratives not only captures attention, but also helps in differentiating your brand in a competitive market. With the right strategies, video marketing can become a powerful tool to attract and convert high-quality leads consistently. Visual storytelling is a powerful tool in real estate marketing. By using compelling visuals, you can effectively build trust with your audience. Showcasing property features through high-quality videos allows potential buyers to get a thorough understanding of the space, making them feel more confident in their decision-making process. Emotional connections are crucial in real estate, and videos enable you to highlight the lifestyle and unique characteristics of each property, tapping into the viewer's emotions. This not only engages, but also inspires them to take action, ultimately boosting your lead generation efforts. In real estate video marketing, diversifying your content is key. Consider creating property tour videos, which offer prospective buyers a detailed walkthrough of the home, highlighting its best features. Client testimonials are another powerful type of video, as they provide social proof and build credibility for your services. Market update videos are also valuable, offering insights into current trends and forecasts in the real estate market. Each of these video types serves a unique purpose, and collectively, they help in engaging different segments of your audience, ultimately driving more leads and conversions. To ensure your real estate videos reach a wider audience, optimizing them is crucial. Start with SEO by incorporating relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility in search engines. Effective thumbnails are another key element. They should be eye-catching and clearly represent the video's content to entice viewers to click. Lastly, include strong calls to action within your videos to direct viewers towards the next steps, whether that's visiting your website, contacting you, or subscribing to your channel. These strategies collectively enhance your video's reach and effectiveness in generating leads. Maximizing your audience reach requires strategic distribution across multiple social media and video platforms. Start by uploading your videos on YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine, to capture organic traffic. Facebook offers diverse formats like posts, stories, and ads to engage a wide audience while leveraging its massive user base. Instagram is perfect for visually appealing content, utilizing features like IGTV, Reels, and Stories to reach potential buyers. Tailoring your content to fit the specifics of each platform can maximize engagement and drive more leads, effectively boosting your real estate marketing efforts.